Good morning, traders. Trae Campbell here coming at you live. Today's date is 4/30/2020. Hope everybody had a good night's rest. I'm ready to rock and roll today. I know I am. My name is Trae Campbell there on the right. You can see me with my three daughters there. And Neal Collenberg is on the left. And together we make up the live trading portion of what you're going to see today. Um, we stream across multiple platforms, so we're streaming YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, Periscope. If you are watching us on Facebook, just please take note that if you comment on the Facebook stream, we cannot see that during the stream. Well, I always go back afterwards and look, but during the stream, we cannot see any comments. So just keep that in mind. For some reason, our program does not work well with Facebook. It it streams with Facebook, but um, it does not do well. So anyway, let's get this thing started. All right. To news. I'll leave that for Neal. Neal's got that all under wraps, I'm sure. The market's pretty much selling off right now, and it's sold off since early this morning. So I'll be looking for resistance plays. Pretty easy there to just see what we're after. I want to see some resistance, and hopefully we'll get some pretty decent plays in. Let's see. Anything else? Anything else? Let me try to think here for a second. I think we're pretty much up to date. We've got a pretty interesting morning of trading ahead of us. So let's just stay green. We've had a phenomenal week, right? I mean, a phenomenal week. So let's just stay green today. Don't get crazy. Um, and take this thing out. Take it on, take it out, and all the way, and in the week on a green note. Sorry, I'm mumbling. I'm trying to find stuff to say because I'm multitasking here. I'm trying to get other stuff set up here. Um,
It's all right, Trey. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'll take it from here for a little bit, so you can kind of get yourself
Thank
situated
you.
here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Um, Guys, this morning Trey already hit on it. Early morning, we kind of just started selling off. The trend now is to the downside. And then we got here around 8:30 this morning, and if you guys pay attention to market news and kind of things that are going to impact us. 8:30 we had again Thursday's jobless claims. Those claims hit 3.84 million. So guys, in the last 6 weeks, we have hit over 30 million jobless claims. So guys, that is a very grim number. Okay. The and that's kind of the reason why we're selling off now. Since that 8:30 news hit, we've just been moving to the downside. And I do believe that we will more than likely continue that for a little bit. We may just give me 1 second. Um, we should potentially find some supports, and that's just natural, right? This thing's going to come down. We're going to fall into a level of support, and we're also going to deviate from like the 200 period moving average, and even what I've got on my chart, the VWAP now. So we should get a pull back up in that direction at some point. But for the opening, I'm going to be looking for shorts. We have a volatility index that has risen dramatically. not really dramatically, but about 2 points. We're stretching back up into the mid 30s here. So yesterday we were falling, and I thought we were going to actually get below 30 for the first time. Since the sell off began back in February, March. So volatility has risen. We are looking at implied volatility of 34%. So we're still in line with the implied volatility that we've been seeing for the last couple weeks. So that's actually a pretty good sign. Guys, I'm gonna run my numbers here and get us some levels to play here for the NQ and for the ES here. We're gonna have those numbers out here. It'll be on our Discord. So if you're not part of that Discord, become a part of that Discord. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna there it is, invite people. I'm gonna post that right here in the Twitch. And there it is. So if you're not part of that, become a part of it, because that's where these alerts are getting posted. I don't post them up here on the Twitch channel. It's too much to put up here. So you guys got to do a little work as well. A couple mouse clicks. So let me run those numbers here. We got about 9 minutes here till the market opens. So I'm gonna be posting them up here in about 3 minutes.
You said the overnight worked out really well, Neal.
It did, yeah. The overnight. So the overnight to the long side, we actually had I had a buy at or above 29.50, and we came right down to the 29.30, which is the area that you should have bought, and it went all the way up to actually went all the way up to, let me see, what did we get up to? Yeah, we went just above the first target. So right between the first and the second targets. The second target was 29.55, and we hit 29.51.
Nice.
So substantial move. I mean, just yeah, just 30. So it was what, 29.30. So about 21 points.
Yeah, it's a great move. Yeah,
pretty good move. On an overnight session. I seen David had posted something too. He had his numbers out there, and he had a 20 point move on the NQ, which on the overnight's a really good move. I mean, that's a substantial amount of money on the NQ. Was that like $400 on the NQ?
20 points. Yeah, that's big. Yep, you're right.
Yep. So really, really good. That's the moving average. Where's my VWAP? All right, so let's run these numbers. 29.37.
Morning, Strife.
I wish there was a way to. It doesn't make any sense how this. Like I can't space or anything like that when I post stuff. Discord drives me nuts. I want to do another line, and I can't. Is it 90.36? No, 90.63. All right, levels will be posted here, guys. So get ready. I'm posting them in the intraday trading alerts, so we don't clog up that the trading floor.
Ah, cool.
All right. So that's it. So on the ES, we've got we have a buy. We'll have a buy above 29.43. So I'm gonna actually put my lines here. And then our sell, which is really what I'm going to be looking at. 29, 29, 50. And then in Q is a buy above 90, 72, 50. And then a short 90 to 48, 75. Kind of cool. You see those levels, man. Kind of cool where they're at too. You know, they're right there, right there where support resistance lies. So
yeah, it works out magically, huh?
Mm-hmm. Hey, good morning there, Strife. Good morning there, Ron. Good morning there, everyone else listening in.
Yeah.
Forgot to say good morning. It's all business. All business this morning.
I'm so starving.
Yes, Strife, I was looking at that. I was looking at Twitter. Funny thing is with Twitter, though, it has given me fits ever since. Every single time I've tried to trade it. But it came down a lot. I mean, I know it was earnings this morning.
My biggest loss in stock trading history was on Twitter.
Yeah, man. I don't know. I don't know what it is with Twitter. I really don't know. Looking for a bounce off the 50. Okay. Yeah, I don't see this thing continuing. I mean, it looks like it's coming. It's coming right down into some support right now. Probably like 2870, 28 like 2850, 2875. I'd say within that range there would probably be a good area to maybe pick some up. Hey, no problem, Ron. No problem, man. Those numbers have proven true. You know what I don't have up? I don't have the restream chat up.
All right. 20. Oh, about a minute left.
I don't even know what the login is for it. Shoot. You always send it to me and then I forget.
Oh, it's my email.
Yeah.
The old one. And I think the password is... I'll send it to you.
Yes. Yeah. That's it. Actually, a pretty easy one to remember, but I don't remember. That's it. Loading. There we are. All right, guys.
Here we go.
Good luck. Good luck. And we're selling off from this level right here.
RTY's bouncing.
Woo. Getting sell triggers right off the bat. All right. Really wanted to see this thing come back up and like close to here. It doesn't necessarily need to hit 90.48. Now, if it wants to continue to sell off, then I'll take it down to like 89. Well, it's already hit the third target. Like 89.58 would be the final target. So 89.82 is the next one in line, and it's already getting right down in there. More than likely, it's going to try to come down and test those morning lows, well, pre-market lows.
The RTY is selling off now.
Mm-hmm.
It was trying to hold itself up, but
yeah, I'm gonna try that right there. Get my first $180, hopefully. There it is, $180 right there. It's going right down to test those lows right there. See that?
yeah.
Right down in there.
Same for the RTY.
Really want this thing to come back up, you know? Come back up and test those levels that I have there. Now I could just let it run.
Yeah. RTY is bouncing back here. Still got my order set for that. So let's see what
Nice. Dude, so it did bounce back up.
well, it did. Now it's pulling back.
And it's pulling back, yeah, 28.99, yeah.
Nice, Trae. Glad you can make money with Twitter. I lost so much money on Twitter one time, man. It made me really question everything. A long time ago.
It's funny. It's funny because when I was trading equities, man, I had ticker symbols that I refused to play because I got, like, you know, beat up in them. So they went on like the no trade list.
Yeah.
Nvidia was another one of them. Nvidia was one that everyone loves to trade to. For some reason I couldn't figure it out. Even AMD, man. Even AMD, like day trading AMD.
Oh man. Yeah.
I couldn't do it either. I mean that was like that was the #1 greatest stock that I ever invested in long term. You know, but like just day trade it. Here she goes, man. Damn. Well, we're gonna have potentially two trendy days. Yesterday was a trend to the upside. Today may potentially be that trend to the downside.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, very much possible. Yeah. We don't start catching support soon.
Ah,
RT
dude.
Wireless is so
Yeah, man.
different from.
Everything else, yeah, it does. Yeah, yeah. Look at everything else, man. Everything else is just selling off. They're now passing the morning lows or the pre-market lows. There you go, Ron. There you go. There it is. All right. Well, NQ's hitting final target.
See, where did it want you to short at or below that red line?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So what do you try to do? Get a push back up into that as close as
Push back
possible?
up into that area. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Well, let's say it doesn't do that. How do you just trade your signals to the
Just trade
target?
my signals. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it'll give me extra validation if we get up in that area, and then we start failing there. See, the thing is too is like you could use this multiple ways, right? Like I could sit here and then I could say at the opening, like the first candle, the opening 2 minute candle, whatever it closes at, whatever that closing price is, I can enter the current market price and then trade off of that. You know what I mean? Like you don't necessarily have to do like I'm just using the VWAP because that's what I read. Others were using. But it's not necessary.
I missed some of this ride. I kind of want to take ES on a bounce up to 2902.59 and reshort. What do you think? Think that's any good?
2902, yeah, man.
Get back in at 2902, maybe 2903.
$29.0250 is a level of support too. So
Yeah. What I was thinking.
Good area to get in and short it, rejecting that level right there.
Yeah. Let's see if we get in there. Have we hit any of the targets on ES?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Oh.
2917, 2903, which is really 2904, 2890, and 2877. We haven't hit the last one though.
Okay.
I don't know what's up with those like support resistance lines, those auto support resistance lines, because they don't seem to be doing anything above this level right here.
Right.
2913 is nothing up here. And I'm like, yeah, that's not true because there's definitely some levels up there. These levels all the way back up.
Right.
It's all right though. I don't really rely on them too much.
Well, that's kind of the move I was looking for.
Mm-hmm. It's not really selling off that much though. There's a tug of war right now.
My shirt. What does my shirt say? Don't tread on me. Got this for a Christmas present. Shout out to my brother-in-law. He got me a few of these shirts. He got me one I can't wear. It's not appropriate.
It's not made for Twitch.
No. I mean, I guess you could wear it, but I wouldn't wear it. Yeah. I'm just set for exactly what that says. Don't tread on me. Other than that, I'm cool. I don't care what you do. Doesn't bother me. Just leave me and my family alone. Let us live and grow in peace.
Reentry short here.
Yeah, I'm trying to get short ES. I don't like people, so you'd never see me at a protest. Strafe. I don't like crowds either. I like people. Don't take that the wrong way. I like people. Maybe I don't like people, to be honest. I don't know. I don't know how to explain that one. Um, are you reshorting ES?
No,
I think
wait.
I think I'm short ES. Well, no, not yet.
Should be in a little bit. It's not. It's not there yet. There it is. There it is. Should get you in.
Yeah, I'm short now. Looks like RTY might tag me in as well. Really hate the thought of managing two trades, but I don't want to miss my RTY trade.
God, well, yeah, you're gonna want your RTY trade.
Yeah. Yeah, it was just a bad entry. Gonna continue pumping. It looks as if. Whatever.
I don't know. I don't know. I think it's gonna roll over.
MR2Y's rolling over. Can't even get up there to the old support level there to use it as resistance. Well, shoot.
All right. Let's see what we get here.
Man, R2Y just died.
Yeah, man, that thing's gonna go to those lows. That's what it looks like, man.
I got the $20 bill on ES.
All right, you know what? I'm gonna get in there. All right, let's take this down to 28.90. All right, let's go. Take this all the way down there. This will be the that'll be third. That'll be close to third target right here. If it gets down there, it's all right.
If we break this low on RTY, I'm gonna adjust my entry below this area right here. It'd be
Okay.
an aggressive chase, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
A non-stressful trade. That's all. That's all it is. No stress. Just let it go. Let it go. Let it do its thing. Chicago PMI came in at 35.4 for April versus 39 estimated.
I gotta look at Twitter now. Dang it, man! You got me looking at Twitter.
Oh, dude, I know. Like Twitter, I had a feeling it was gonna come down into that level, right? Yep. It came right down to 28.50 and went up, man. It's up at 30. Yep. That's how I would have traded it too. It's just I don't like it. I don't like Twitter.
Wait a minute. Oh, never mind. Hang on. I keep forgetting my Thinkorswim is delayed.
Is it still delayed or no?
Yeah, it's still delayed. What is that? TWTR?
TWTR. Yep. Yeah, man. That was a good trade.
You picked it up where? The like 28?
He took
28.73.
Yeah.
Huh. Nice. That was good, man.
I'm glad we were thinking the same thing because I said 28. What did I say? 28.50 to 28.75.
Yep. You bought into the panic. That's good.
Yeah, it was a good trade because you got to think about where it closed yesterday. It's not going to come all the way back up there. I don't see it getting back up to 32, but good area for it to get up to is probably 38 or 30.50. 30.45.
All All right, I'm currently short R2Y.
Yes is pushing to the upside here. You're gonna go long.
See, I knew
Go
better.
long here.
I always get had on those aggressive entries.
That was okay though, man. It's all right. I think it's still gonna come down. I'm just gonna be doing. I'm just gonna be flipping it. Just in case if it comes back up into this area here, take
Yeah.
my profit and then get ready to go short again. Yep. Yeah, that's exactly what we were talking about too. Like Guild's a tough one to trade overnight. I mean, it's a good thing to just hold long term too. Like it's like one of those. It's definitely one of those stocks like that as well. All right. Now we're long. Try to take it up into this area here. Seems like a lot. No, that's not. All right. Okay. Let's readjust. And Q's really pushing up.
Did you see Facebook?
Nah, is it up? Is it up a lot?
What gapped way up?
Nuts, nuts. It's going back up to its highs back in January.
Yeah. We'd held JetBlue overnight. It was it's back up to $10.
Wow. That thing went up to $11 overnight pre-market. Getting close to getting out of this trade here on the ES. Just need a couple more pushes here. 30 seconds for the next candle here. We should get it. Come on. It's real close.
Hey, what do you think about shorting MWK?
Was that M? You said M?
MW, yeah, M as in Mark. MWK.
We can actually play that?
Yep.
What in the heck is that stock?
I have no clue, and I don't know why they're up.
Huh. Yeah, I mean, let's see why they're up though. Let's do a little research on it. MWK stock. Mohawk Group Holdings.
Yeah.
What the hell is Mohawk?
Nothing.
Well, I don't know, man. Well, 21 days ago, I mean, this is a while ago. 21 days ago, they reported strong preliminary first quarter net revenue between 25 million and 26 million, an approximate 43% growth versus the prior year. So, I don't know, man. And they're up substantially right now. So an idea, the idea could be just like a 460 back down to $4 maybe.
Yeah.
Like just short it for 60 cents.
I'm in. Just 100 shares.
Yeah. I wonder if this will be like a hidden gem, like a long-term type thing. If it's I thought, what the hell do they do? The tech-enabled e-commerce consumer products company. Mohawk Group Holdings. There it is. Got my trade done.
Good.
Morning there, Beth.
Morning.
All right, so that's it's not a bad start to the day. Half hour, $221. You take it.
Yeah, man. Good job. I am not doing as well. This RTY is really
RTY is pumping, isn't it?
Really pumping, yeah.
Yeah. I wait for it though. Wait for it. We should get that reversal. All right, let's reset this back to 1. Be interested if it gets back up to that red line. It's right there with the VWAP too.
Yeah. Up $25 on MWK right now.
Nice. All right. It's coming right down into a level of support right now.
I got to order it for $4.10.
Right off the daily here is what I'm looking at.
Yep, that is yours.
Dude, down to 420.
Yep. Here we go. Ah. Trying to get it there. 410 was the order, dude. It found support right there. There we go. Oh, we didn't get it. There we go. 54 bucks, dude. Instant.
Wow, man.
Instant.
Wow, man. Look at that analysis right there to $4. Cool, man. Nice.
Now if I can just get R2Y to cooperate here.
Mm-hmm.
I really need you to cooperate, R2Y. Dude, down to $4 now. Whew, that was a good one, man. That was a good
Man,
one.
is that gonna close this? Let's close that little gap that it had overnight. It's daily. Jumped from 345 up to $4. All right, guys. All right, we're gonna be. Let's see here. Probably gonna be going short. Probably gonna be going short the NQ here.
Did you see Carnival?
Are they up? They should be up.
Yeah, they're up.
You got all these people trying to get, open up all this stuff, man. I don't understand how Carnival would be up, to be honest with you. You know what I mean? Like, this could be one of the last things to open up.
Up 359, guys.
What the hell? Wow, okay. Hey, awesome. This is crazy. That's like me, when you're like, oh, how'd you do today? I'm up $500.
It's up 20. Now I'm up 400.
It's like I made $25 in the open, and then I'm up $500 by the time we talk.
Dude, I was sweating a little bit on that one though. I was sweating a little bit. I'm trying to find us another stock to jump into.
The markets are trying to go lower. Well, NQ's pushing back up, man. Look at that freaking candle on it. Wow. We're not going short the NQ, by the way. Not right now.
Dude, Southwest Airlines just continues getting hammered. They're just now coming off a new low. That could be one, man, for the long term. Yeah,
I'd probably go Southwest too. What is that? Let's look at that. Let's look at
LUV.
That LUV.
LUV.
So weird. LUV.
Love with a U.
I don't understand that ticker symbol for them, but all right.
Look at the daily, man. Look, they're just now coming off the low.
I was right clicking the chart to go to the daily.
Thank you.
Wow.
You see that?
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
Think
Take
that's
that for like
worthy?
50 cents. Take that for like 50 cents, like $32 maybe.
Well, I was thinking about going in super light, man, and just like 5 or 10 shares and
Mm-hmm.
holding this thing maybe for like, you know, 35. What do you think?
Could do that too. Yeah. Yeah. What's 35? What's that? Oh, that's just up over the Keltner right there.
Yeah. What you think?
Yeah, yeah. If you're going in super light, yeah. Yeah,
Super
definitely.
light, man. Yeah, just like 10 shares. Let's see if I can get a pullback on it. Oh, it's already pulling back.
Should we do it? Should we do it? I don't know. I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it.
Okay, we're
Maybe.
in 31.52 on Southwest. We'll see. Targeting like 35.
All right. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna mess it up. I was gonna go long. I was gonna go along the NQ, but I'm like, I don't know. It's probably gonna go. Yep. It's like super hesitant on it because I don't like what's happening right here. It's having a hard time breaking over this level.
Well, and you probably want to remain short bias as long as you're underneath that line that you're getting on the GAN.
Oh hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. That's pretty much the plan. Like when I was getting that short, I was like, yeah, all right, I'll take this short. You know, I don't like going long. It's like it's getting beat up right here.
Right.
But going short, I feel much more comfortable. Like even on that ES long that I just took right there, man, I was like, I think the reason why I said it right here was because I was like, this is probably gonna be it for it. It's gonna probably get up into this area. It's gonna struggle. I was trying to give another re-entry for a long. That's crazy. Russell's getting a short entry.
Yeah. Let's watch it. Let's look at it.
Whew, man. All right. Well, I guess a long would have worked, but whatever. I like it.
Wow.
But it's still getting hard rejected here. Like look at that.
Struggling for sure.
UAVS. UAVS. Let's take a look at UAVS.
Yeah, it's pumping. We can't trade it though.
Oh, geez. What? What is up with these like small caps?
Yeah. They're pumping and the RTY is struggling. What's ET? Energy transfer. ET. That's
Mm-hmm.
that's up too, man. $8.50 breaking out. Got a nice like V shape on the daily.
Dude, that's just been in a upward trend following the 20 period moving average.
Yeah,
That is an interesting stock.
isn't it? I think it's gonna go to fill that gap, man. $10.
Oh heck yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, dude. Look at that V-shaped reversal back up there to the right up there. It's like a horseshoe, nice horseshoe shape.
Yeah.
Now it's gonna go now, yeah, dude. It should fill that gap all the way to 10.
Wanna go for it?
Yeah, yeah, that one I like a lot, dude. Yeah.
Well, let's just pick some up. We got some ET.
ET energy transfer. Interesting.
Check out Glope, GLOP. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's pretty wild.
That's also not a bad one there.
I don't want to
Yeah.
mess with any.
It's got the same type of pattern too.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I like Oxy too, but it's petroleum, so I don't know if I want to have anything to do
I
with
don't
that.
I don't really want to get involved in anything petroleum based. No Exxon, no
You see CPG? Oh, that's
CPG.
never mind. Never mind. That's a penny or super cheap. Um, hmm, that's interesting. ET's petroleum. Shoot. Well,
Well, yeah, gas, yeah, yep. Energy transfer LP. What you should know.
see
Negative low person.
AVTR, Avantor.
So this is gonna be one of those ones that's gonna follow along with the with crude. So you're gonna have to like pay attention to like what the hell crude's doing.
Well, we only got 50 shares.
Well, crude is coming back. So if crude breaks out here around like 18, heads to 20, that should definitely help.
Um, I don't know where it's at.
Come on,
I think it's
I want
dead
to get
though.
like one more trade in before I start making some phone calls here.
StarTech, SRT.
It's almost like the Bulls are definitely trying to take this back up a little bit here. See if it starts breaking back down. I'm gonna try this NQ. See if we get something here. To try to go. It's trying, man. Bulls are really trying to take this. Yeah, what are you looking at? Like the minute chart? We're just on the 2 minute anyway, so kind of close. Like they're trying to take it back. There we go. Come on, NQ. Wow. I think this might be it here. I think this might be it. I think we're gonna get our push back up here. Looks like it's definitely struggling. Definitely struggling to break lower here at this point. Thing is, we got to get back up and over here, which is 29, like 29.15, I'd say. If we could break there and get a push back up towards the VWAP. Nah.
All right, back in action here.
Trying to get this NQ short for a little bit here. I got almost hit my target. Almost hit my target. Now we're just kind of bouncing right at the target. I'll flip it. I'll flip it if it goes long. I think it's changing. I think it's changing directions. I'm kind of with Strife here.
Still got the short order on RTY. I'm trying to get a push up into that area. See if I can.
No, I got my NQ short. That was it right there. There's it's like a little over $100 there. It's 120. So we're up 341 today.
$700
Yeah, I
between
mean,
two of us.
And it's very possible. I think it's very possible that we're gonna get that. We're gonna get that break. I almost want to try this ES short here one more time here, and then call it a morning session. Get this phone calls going. Take care of some business. Where will I want to take that? No, not there. Here. 28. Maybe long. 28.90. I don't know. It's getting bought. It's getting bought right there.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yep. RTY is getting the same reaction.
Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with it. I think I will just call it. Yeah, we'll just call it. Start making some phone calls here, then be back.
Yeah.
Probably be back in like an hour or two.
Sounds good, man. I think I'll do the same, man. We're up good. No use in messing around, so I'm gonna take a break as well.
Yeah.
All right,
man.
See you back here about what, 11:30?
11:30. Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
See you.
Bye.
All right, guys, I'm back here a little early, but anybody get anything while I was gone? Not really see much. I did get an RTY trade in. I did get an RTY trade there. Brings the total up to 459 on the morning. It's been a pretty good, pretty solid day. See if we can get it to pull on down here. I'm gonna buy some more. Try to buy some more up down here. I don't really like ES at the moment. Nor do I like... I don't know. NQ still looks pretty good for shorts. So, keep your eye on NQ. Q looks pretty good. It looks like that, yeah. I got this one trade out on RTY. I'm waiting for this pullback. See if we can get down in this level. I like NQ for the short though. Where do we enter though? That's a good question. Airline stock is not doing good. Not doing good at all. So I knew that was going to be kind of the gist of that one. All right, we're selling off. See if we can get back down into this area. Okay. All right, we'll put it on watch. Yeah, it is strife. It's kind of one of those days where you just have to take what you can get. So I'm all right. I don't have to. I really don't have to trade anymore. I'm good. Some news just hit. Let's see what that is. Intel boss confirms investigation into whether coronavirus outbreak the result of an accident at Wuhan lab.
What's up?
What's up?
Got myself a little, well, I was long. Now I'm short. A little choppy action here.
Well, they just confirmed that the coronavirus was created in a lab. I mean, which we already knew that, but
What the hell? Really?
yeah,
When the hell did that news come out?
it just came out.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Is that on CNN or I don't see it?
I got mine on Fox News update. Wuhan lab director denies COVID escape from his laboratory. It says, um, he announced on record for the first time Thursday that U.S. intelligence community is investigating whether the coronavirus outbreak, which has wreaked havoc across the globe, started. Oh, he's investigating. I'm sorry.
Well, I mean, we pretty much. I mean, we could speculate, but I definitely think.
Yeah.
I definitely think it was.
Yeah, I agree.
Don't go to sleep, computer. Sleep after. Never. Never, never. Off, off. Never, never. Here we go. Boom, boom.
Down $7 on her love.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Freaking Southwest. Southwest! Come on! Wow, UAVS just hit $5 and went boom, back down. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you said we took our profit on ET.
Mm-hmm. Yep, jumped out of that one.
Nice. Kroger actually moved up from the opening. It was like 359. Such a slow mover, though, man. You were not kidding.
Yeah.
The good thing about it being slow is that it is something that you could like potentially just sit there and, you're comfortable to swing it.
Right.
Wuhan shows ending of lockdown doesn't slow it. Oh shit.
Twitter looks good, man. It's gonna hold 29. At least right now.
Yeah, I kind of like that Twitter play. It's not a bad one. 15-minute chart, though, looks like the 20 is about to cross the 200. And it did fail to break over the 200 period moving average. So, I mean, just for a scalp play, though, it's not a bad one.
There it goes. 29.10 now.
Man, this trade's just gonna drive me nuts. It's like it's already been a half an hour trade. It actually almost got at it. You see how where it touched?
Mm-hmm.
It almost touched me out, and now it's just reversing right on me.
That sucks.
There's an app called Local Now. It's got free TV.
Local Now?
Yeah, it's like a television network app that you can download. Damn it. Guess we're gonna be flipping. No. It's also got like movies and stuff. One 058.
Changing their operating policies to try to make the shopping experience safer for.
Oh wow. Local Now is it doesn't give you like it doesn't give you a option to
Change channel?
change channel.
It's weird, but it's got like it says it's got all these things, but what the hell?
Yeah, my closest is Greenville, South
Any of us.
Carolina, which
Now
is
several companies are.
which is like not very close. It's at the foot of the mountain. Huh.
Oh, for movies and video on demand, download the app to your TV, tablet, or phone. Okay, so on the computer, it's just gonna do like whatever that local now thing is. Yep, that's the third. Well, actually, close to the fourth touch of that area there. That is exactly where I was trying to get out too, Shrife. See if it'll do a like fourth or fifth touch and get me out, you know.
Okay, downloading. See if it gets any better with the app. Let's see now. Local Now.
As more states issue stay-at-home orders, a trip to the store is unavoidable for many of us. Now, several companies are changing their operating policies to try to make the shopping experience safer for everyone. Retail giant Walmart Walmart is instituting limits on the number of people
Yeah, they got
at one time. The limits are based on store size, with 5 people
tons
allowed in per 1,000 square feet,
of
which means a typical supercenter would allow about
movies and
900
such.
people in at a time, with the rest waiting outside in a line until shoppers exit. A smaller Walmart market would have a 200 shopper limit. Stores continue to limit hours to give employees.
New house is amazing. Except there's this rat problem.
Let's go. Let's go, ES. Come on. Come on. Give us another touch there, and then you can do whatever the heck you want. Neal wants lunch.
Daddy, can you help me? I have a magic wand. Daddy, can you help me?
All right. It's out of that.
All right. So, yeah, we are now pushing back up. That was
Twitter was the buy. Too bad you didn't get into that one, Trae. Guess what I'm eating?
Are you eating those pretzel pieces?
No, but I'll tell you, well, I was talking crap about it yesterday. Cliff Bar.
Oh, Strife was on. Somebody's got a good memory.
There you go, Stripe. Yeah, I'm that hungry.
Moments like that, I hate my memory. I'm like, I don't know. I need some ginkgo biloba, right? That helps the memory. Ginkgo bilobes.
I bought Alpha Brain one time.
Oh, I have Alpha Brain. I didn't use it. I
used
think
it.
I did one day.
Well, I used it for about a week, man. It made me feel really funny.
I had some weird dreams on it. I think that was it. I had a really weird dream on it, and I was like, yeah, not gonna use this anymore. It was. I think I paid like $30-something for it.
Mm-hmm. I did too. I used it for about a week, and my appetite got really. I got really hungry all the time, and I don't know. It instead of making me like think sharper, it like dulled me down.
Yeah. I'd rather do the natural stuff like ginkgo, you know.
Yeah.
But there you go. Like Stripe said, cocaine and strippers.
Cocaine. Is that a thing?
I don't know. I don't know.
Visa? Let's look. What's the ticker for Visa? V?
Just V.
It's overbought. Right now. I mean, in the current move. I wait for a cycle. $172. 172s look good. That's if 178 doesn't hold. 178 holds.
Little V. Yeah.
You know, I would. I mean, it's breaking out, but you know, we're probably at the top of a cycle run there, so it's going to have to cycle. And I don't know if that breakout holds. I guess that would be the test. Look for a deeper pullback, 172, 173. I like that because if you look back to the left, you can see all that support back there. Probably come back down there to pick up more buyers. It's more than bottom feeders. Yeah, I don't know, dude. You could, depend on how you want to play it.
Man. Yeah, like what are you thinking? Like,
You wanna
what is
swing
what's your idea there?
If you wanted to swing it, I would definitely wait for a deeper pullback. If you're wanting to day trade it, you know, you could find different spots to trade it for throughout the day. But if you're wanting to long term it, you know, for a week or so.
And you want to swing it, if you want to play it for earnings, which way do you want to play it for earnings? You know, like what's your thought there?
Yeah. Dude, that Cliff Bar was like eating just cardboard.
Yeah, man. Like when I eat those, man, I gotta have like a nice full glass of water and just like, you know, chug that water every bite. Option, call it. Okay.
Got a couple of pieces of pizza too I could eat, but now I've already ate the Cliff Bar, so I'll hold off.
I don't know what the hell to eat for lunch, man.
And then I'll eat a spoonful of peanut butter. That'll give me some protein, along with the Cliff Bar.
Maybe I'll make some eggs.
Some good protein.
Some eggs and sausage and stuff. There we go. The trade is done. The trade is done. I don't even know. That trade right there yielded me $36. $36. So I waited an entire, you know, about 40 minutes for $36. All right, well, whatever. Guess we'll take it.
Mm-hmm.
Not gonna complain. Yeah, still remaining underneath this short here, 29.50. So staying right there. Let's see, what is this? 29.07. Let's check this out. I'm interested to see. I'm interested to see if we do like the opening of like the next candle. Let's see where it says. Okay. So buy above 29.16, and it wants you to short below right here, 29.0250. With your target, first target 28.90.50. So you would have shorted right here, dude. At the open.
Mm-hmm.
Right here, and you would have taken it all the way down. Yeah, man, you would have gotten it. You would have gotten close to your target, 28.93. Yeah. Problem is you would have had to sit here and watch all this stuff happen. Then you would have had to buy over 29.60, but it never, well, right here. I actually like the VWAP one better, man, because it's just plays out better. Yeah, it's I'm gonna get off of here for a second. I'm gonna make some lunch. I'll be right back.
Okay. I readjusted my order on the RTY. So we'll see what happens. I didn't like how it came like right to my entry and then bounced. That was the move I was looking for, so which leads me to believe if it rolls over a little bit more and tags me in, it's going to continue dropping. I see we're switching bias now.
Daddy, I'm just going to wash my hands at the biggest.
Okay.
And the kitchen too.
Got a short order on ES. Just a limit order. See if we can push back up there. Okay, switch my my order here on the RTY, following it down a little bit. Not really chasing it. I'm just kind of going with support and resistance. The ES is trying. See which one gets tagged first. Okay. Maybe we go for there. Well, RTY is just selling off. NQ is starting to pick up a little steam here. Damn. Well, my attempt to try to get short here has been unsuccessful.
Holy
So,
cow. Wow. Dude, we just hit that target. Third target on ES.
do we really?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Amazing.
Let's see if we can get some kind of a rally to get back short. I kind of want to short ES at like 28.94.76. But I don't know. If we get a rally, it might break through that.
Well, could also get that and then get take that target out at 28.77. It's possible that we move that low.
Yeah.
You know, at this point.
Yeah.
I honestly didn't think we were going to go that low. I thought we were going to find some kind of support and then push towards the VWAP.
Hang on a second.
Wow, we're almost filling that gap. Come here, buddy. Nope, no. Sit. Come here.
should young people care about the spread of coronavirus? Well, we know that people with underlying medical conditions over the age of 60 are at highest risk, but they've got to get it from somebody.
So we're asking everyone to be selfless for others so that we can protect those who are most susceptible.
Not going to bars, not going to restaurants. It all just means physical separation so that you have a space between you and others.
For more information on how you can social distance, please go to coronavirus.gov.
Okay, guys. I am gonna call it a day. It's 12 o'clock. 12:30. You have joined the $500 club. I'm gonna be done. Um,
Yeah, Ron, it looks like we may see 2877 before the day's out here on the ES. It's quite possible.
I'm gonna call it a day, Neal.
Oh, I'm right there with you, man. I'm right there with you, dude. I am fully satisfied with my Thursday, fully satisfied with my week. Trae, I didn't realize how much I was up this week. I'm at $2,113 on the week. So
That's amazing. I'm at 2,086.47.
nice.
So been a
Nice,
phenomenal
yeah.
week, man.
Yeah, we just have one more day to close out this week strong, man, and we should be looking at like 5K, close to it at least between the two of us. So I think that's a solid performance, man. I don't know, man. I don't see much more happening today. I think we may be forming that wedge that or not a wedge, I'm sorry. I'm reading the freaking Twitter thing. I think we're forming a base here, close to a base here on the ES. So it's quite possible that we could see a reversal. I think 2877 or close to 2877 does come in. For those of you still looking to trade, that very well could potentially still come in. But I'd be very I'm just apprehensive with trading anymore today. I think I'm right there with you, Trae. I'm happy. I'm happy with what it is. Like I call like Thursday and Friday is going to be like these slow days, where we just kind of cut it out early.
Yeah, there's no use in risking. We've got and tomorrow will be a super light day for me too. If we can get get somewhere in that area, I'm good, man. I'm good. I always look for opportunities, but at the same time, that's why we become day traders, is to actually have a life too. So, when the goods are there, take them and go enjoy your time. That's what this job affords all of us that trade. So, I'm gonna go and my problem is I don't have much else to do, but
nah, I don't need it. It's gonna pour here in a little bit. I literally just had the dogs out, man. I stepped outside and it's just super windy.
Yeah,
we're about to get hit with a pretty bad storm. It's supposed to we're in like a flood watch right now.
Oh man.
So it's gonna be crazy. It'll be crazy. I don't think we'll lose power or anything like that, but it'll be substantial rain.
Yeah.
And my yard always floods like out near the front. Poor drainage out by the road. So have a nice little puddle there.
Yeah, mine does the same thing when it rains hard. So
here you go, Ron. Here you go. See, this is what I was talking about. This is that opportunity to take it down to maybe that area, like 2878-ish. I wouldn't try to go for 2877, but it looks like it's going to crack these levels here. I'd be looking for this area here to exit if I was in this trade. But I mean, Ron, you could definitely cut it out too, man. I know you're doing pretty good today too. I know Stripe's up good too. Stripe's been trading really well. Had some nice trades with Twitter too, man. Twitter was his baby.
Yep.
How are we with at LUV? Are we still still in that, right?
We're gonna be married to that for a while.
Okay.
But one set of good news with the airlines and boop, we're on the map.
Oh yeah, that's all we need, man. And the airlines look like they're getting their support.
Yeah.
It looks like once things kind of start opening up, and even just the limited openings that we're having, the airlines are gonna see a benefit from it.
Yep.
Once they have some flights, I don't know how it's really gonna work, but you have certain states still locked down, so I really don't understand how the airlines are going to be working. I mean, they're still working in like a limited capacity,
Yeah.
but I don't know.
They'll get it figured out.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I'll keep us updated on that. And as far as the, but like I said, man, I think we'll be in this one for a little while. We're down about $8 on it right now. That's a lot with 10 shares.
Well, yeah. But it's all right. I mean,
yeah.
it's only 10 shares. Where we can let that thing go down to $50. $100. We'll be all right.
Oh yeah.
I don't think it's gonna get that far, but
No.
I think it's gonna find support before then.
Yeah, I agree with you. I think we'll be fine.
So, by the way, my sister did give me an idea for her website.
Awesome.
I'm gonna have to send you the link. It's actually a very easy idea. Because when I saw her on her birthday, I was like, hey, to design this website, I was like, it's easy for like Trae and I to design our websites because we knew like what we wanted, right? But
Right.
I was like, I kind of need like to like know what you're looking at. So she gave me the link for this one site, and I was like, oh, and it was actually built on WordPress too. So
okay, yeah,
this is
send
an
that to me.
added bonus. So I'll send that to you. I kind of want to try to work on it myself. It's just I don't know, man. At night, dude, I just get like I'm just so bored. I'm just like, man, and my boredom just turns to like watching TV, rather than doing things like productively.
Productive. Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, and see, I could work on it during like times like right now when no, I'm done trading or whatever. So for sure, man.
Yeah. So I'll send that over to you.
Okay.
And
All
then maybe
right.
we can look at some stuff, and maybe we can get something fired up.
Sounds good, man. Sounds good. Everybody have
All
a
right.
good afternoon, and
Yeah.
we'll talk to you. I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream.
Okay.
So everybody have a good night, and we'll talk to you in the morning.
All right, man.
All right. See you.
All right, later.